Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert video to MP3. So let's have a look now. Open VLC Media Player. Now go to the top left of the screen, tap on Media, then tap on Convert Save. Now click on the Add button and add your video file. After that, click on Convert Save. Now select the correct profile. Click here and from the list choose MP3. Then go to destination, choose where the file is going to saved. Click on Browse, enter the name of your audio. Click Save. Now click on Start and you will see that the video is converted to MP3. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.